guys, today duck breast. Oh yeah, beautiful, easy, my way, because I cook very simple, and you know, everyone cook different. First thing, we have to score the breast. Okay, try to be gentle. Like that. Okay. And that's it. Now, the very important thing is, we have to make the crispy skin. Very low flame and cold pan. We put the duck breast, but before I forgot, we're gonna put some salt and pepper. Okay. Very small this, but you can find better everywhere. In the butcher. Okay, this down, skin down. And now the target is, we're gonna, without on oil and nothing, we have to do the crispy skin. Gonna take, you know, 5 to 15 minutes, and because we start from the very cold pan, and preheat the oven, because we're gonna finish in the oven. And I'm gonna do this with I love mushroom. Gonna be with some mushroom, very simple, with butter and garlic and parsley. That might gonna be me. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel. We need a lot of, and check our website cookingwithanitaliano.com. I'm show you on the way what's going on here. Okay, guys, now start slowly. This we need. This that fat is very important. Later we're gonna cook mushroom in that fat. You know, it's like that. I even don't touch it. Okay. Okay, guys, look, nice and crispy. 10 minutes, very low temperature. Now we add some butter and rosemary. Okay, put on the side like this, and this is gonna cook as well another 4-5 minutes. And later we're gonna put in the oven. In the oven, this is up to you. Depends how long you cook here and how pink you like. But in the oven, 200 degrees, preheated, it's gonna be around from 8 minutes to 12 minutes. Depend how you. And later gonna rest at least 5-10 minutes. We cover with aluminum foil. And when I cover with aluminum foil, I have to do my mushroom in this duck fat. Okay. Beautiful. This now for me is okay. I did 10 minutes on the skin and 6 minutes from all the sides. Now skin down again. Now go in the oven for 8 to 12 minutes, okay? Okay? And now, guys, again in this pan, I wanna do my mushrooms with garlic, some spicy, and parsley, okay? Choose any mushroom you like, carry on inside. I just chop and put in, okay? Just like that. The small one, all. I love with mushrooms. I put this garlic in. A little bit of chilli if you like. Another little touch of butter. Salt and pepper. How much you like. That's it. Leave it to cook like that. I see you in 5 minutes, 6 minutes. The time the duck breast gonna be ready, everything gonna be al bacio. Okay guys, I think my mushroom, they're almost done. Take this rosemary out and the garlic too. I mean, if you like, you can leave it. Now, I turn it off. Parsley. When it's off the flame, just a little touch of butter again. That's done. The smell is absolutely delicious. And now we're gonna check the duck and we're gonna see what's going on, okay? Beautiful. Out from the oven. Now, this duck breast, you know, I bought in the supermarket, but if you have some nice butcher, you can find a better, okay? Now, this duck breast, we take a plate, it's hot. Well, 1 and 2, and now we cover this with aluminum foil and leave at least 5 to 10 minutes, okay? See you soon. Okay guys, now it's time to see how is our duck breast, okay? Okay. Nice, juicy, look here, pink, oh, look there, fantastic. Oh guys, absolutely wow, look at that. Guys, the Piero duck breast and mushrooms is absolutely delicious, guys. What I wanna say, if you like, guys, always finger up and follow us. Ciao!